My name is Carrie, and today I'm going to be explaining percentages. This is when you take a fraction and divide it, then times that by 100. So let's try. These were taken from real-life percentages. I asked 31 people what their favorite color was, and combined, 12 people answered blue and orange. So 12 out of 31 people chose blue and orange. So now divide 12 by 31. You're allowed to use a calculator. So at first, you get a big ugly decimal, but there's a trick. Just look at the first 3 and round up or down. You round up because 7 is bigger than 4. Next, times it by 100. And you have 39%. Bam! That's your answer. Let's try again. 14 people out of 29 brought water bottles to school today. 14 divided by 29 is 0.48 if you round. And 0.48 times 100 is 48%. And lastly, 8 people in the class have names that start with C or K, myself included. 8 divided by 29 is 0.28, and if you times that by 100, you get 28. I hope this has helped you understand fractions to percentages. Thanks for watching. Bye!